Tim's the Lunesta fucking spokesperson right now.
Holy shit, man!
I'm only borrowing this part.
Yeah.
And I'll bring it back when I lock my door.
Anyways, you went to shower last night and what?
Man, I brought some toilet paper with me because I dropped a deuce first. And so I set the toilet paper underneath the stairs on top of some toilet paper so I can dirt on it, right? And I get out, and someone stole my fucking toilet paper, bro. It was like 3 feet underneath the goddamn showering box. I mean, who the fuck goes out of the way to steal some fucking toilet paper? The fucking niggers.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
That's too good.
There's some TV to blow my nose.
Ah, you know what? That's the one thing I didn't bring. Hey, how about we use a paper towel? Oh, there we go. Base camp. Ugh. Feet up. Let me document this shit. How's your first night at Coachella? It's pretty dope. It's good. Oh. I was bombing around in that robot outfit so much last night, my fucking legs are sore.
You were doing what last night?
Just gigging.
Gigging?
I was in the robot
Gigging?
outfit just like,
Yeah, using them glutes.
oh yeah. Oh yeah.